From Qatar, Akram, Afif shines bright, and Valencia lights up the night. Sadio Mane, Van Dijk standing tall, Harry Kane answering football's call. Mehdi Taremi chasing the dream, Christian Pulisic leads the team. Gareth Bale with courage and fire, Lionel Messi takes us higher. Every nation, every heart, every player plays their part. Under the lights we all believe this is the moment we achieve. World Cup stars under one sky, playing for glory, reaching so high. From every nation, hear the crowd sing. For the love of the game, we give everything. World Cup stars, side by side, carrying dreams with passion and pride. One world, one game, one shining light. Together we rise tonight. Salem Aldosari, Lozano flies, Lewandowski always aiming high. Kylian Mbappé blazing the way, Matthew Leckie saves in the day. Christian Eriksen setting the pace, Youssef and Sakni joining the race. Pedri shining young and free, Keylor Navas guarding with bravery. Every challenge, every fight, every dream